Hello YouTube. As you know, I bought this wager. Here is a Winchester round, and that Winchester empty casing. And unfortunately, this is what mostly came in the boxes. So this has been swaged. I went in a circle. So even though you can still see a bit of the crimp, it looks better. Now, why is this empty? Because I sorted out, which is what I should have done at the beginning, but I didn't because I was lazy. I believed the YouTube videos of just decapping and going right in the machine right away. Nope, you can't. You have to sort, no matter how many rounds you have. So here's the Winchester round, 9mm Luger. As you can tell, there is not much of the Winchester round. This is a different round, I don't know what it is. B and R and P. And this is all the others. You can see the rings right there. These are the ones that jammed my Pro 1000 after decapping. On the way to the priming station, it would jam in between the two dies. So I'm gonna have to start doing that. Very, very disheartening. I almost wanted to quit altogether. Just stop and throw everything in the garbage and sell the equipment. It's like right here, it doesn't look too bad, but this would jam my machine. See, there's a bad one. Look how thick that bend is. And this is from this batch only. I still have all this that I haven't even touched yet. Look at that one, that's even worse. And another thing I learned, when you put it in a container, keep it tight. This is the batch that was cleaned. You can see some are still shiny, but some are starting to get all cruddy again. I didn't expect that, because I had this in the container, but I didn't have the lid closed. This one's not too bad, but I'll swage it nonetheless. So, important lesson, YouTube. I didn't expect this from Winchester. I thought better from them. The reason why I bought Winchester was because I thought that their brass would be reusable. Easy peasy. Nope, you fuckers. So here is a Winchester casing. And from the same batch, I got all these military fucking crimps. You asshole. So sort your brass, YouTube. Don't be like me.